guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a really cute farmhouse DIY for you. So let me show you what you'll need to make this project in case you want to make. First of all, you're going to need some of these Gerber daisies from Dollar Tree. I just think they really lend themselves nicely to farmhouse decor. And then you're going to need some Waverly Chalk paint in the hazelnut. It's a really pretty goldy brown. And then the Waverly Chalk paint in mineral. I've used this many times, and that's what that looks like. It's a really pretty color, and I think they'll complement each other nicely. Then I went to Hobby Lobby quite a while ago, and I've had this probably for 3 weeks or 4. And this is just an adhesive stencil, and it can say family or blessed, and I'm going to use that. And then I purchased this while I was at Hobby Lobby, and this was $4.99, this little stencil. But Walmart has stencils as well, but I think that's really not a bad price. And then I was there and I found this, and I thought that was really, really cute with the row handles and everything. And it's like a chalkboard really, but I'm going to try to paint it. And it was $5.99 from Hobby Lobby, okay? And then you're just going to need some of these little spouncers to use with your stencils. And I got these at Walmart. And then I'm either going to use like foam brushes or maybe some of these little brushes. And I got all this right here at Walmart a long time ago. And that is it, a glue gun and something to cut your flowers. So let's get started. I think this is really going to be pretty. So let me put this down so I don't get anything on my countertop. And the first thing I think I want to do is paint this. And like I said, this is really like a chalkboard. It says metal chalkboard, so I'm hoping that I can actually paint the chalkboard inside. I'm not sure, so I guess we'll find out. Let me put this down just a little bit so you can see. So what I'm gonna do is paint all of this with this mineral color, and I think I'll try the foam brush and see how it goes. I'm not really sure how this is gonna work. Okay, and we'll just put this on. Pretty liberally, and you wouldn't have to paint the inside of the chalkboard if you didn't want to. You could just leave it plain and just paint around the edges, and that would be really pretty. I thought about doing that, and then I was like, well, I want to see what this will do and what kind of effect this will give us. So I can always paint it over with some stuff to make it chalkboard again if this doesn't work. And then I'm just going to paint this outside metal. So I know you get the feel of what I'm doing, so I'm going to go ahead and paint it all around, and then I'll be back. Okay, here it is painted, and I love it. I just didn't put it on that heavy because I wanted, and it's sort of cloudy here today. I hope that you can see. Let me try to turn on another light. I don't know if that helped or not, but it just sort of looks like a really aged piece of wood, even though that it's metal. It really does, it did turn out nice, and it looks very old. What I did is I just put it on with this like you saw me, and then I started noticing I liked it better if you could see that rope detail, so I started going over it in the drier areas of the brush and wiping that off. And then I took this that was totally clean and just wiped a bunch more off, and then I just took it and pulled it across through here because it was wider and it would give me a nicer effect. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, this is so easy. I'm going to open this little applique. And you can use any applique that you want, whatever it is that you want. And I'm thinking I will put blessed on this. I'm thinking. And this is sticky, so when it peels off, it will adhere. I hope it doesn't pull my paint up. Okay, so we want to try to get this exactly where we want it. I think that's down a little bit. And then I took this in there and dried it on low warm with my hair dryer to get this to dry nicely. Okay, so that's what we have so far. And let me just look at it. I think I've got it on here crooked. And no, it doesn't pull the paint off, which is good. I like that. Okay, so you just have to work with it, and there that is. And it is pretty good. It's close enough for me, okay? So now what we're gonna do is take our mineral chalk paint and open these little daubers up. And I think for control, I'm going to use this little one. Okay. I'm just going to put it in this top that has some paint on it. Dab it off, and let's see what we can do. I think this is going to be really pretty. And just daub it all over till you get the desired effect on here that you want. And then that is what you have, and now we'll get ready and pull it off. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. Oh, I love it. Okay, and now this is what we have. I think that is adorable, okay? Now what we're going to do, let me move all of this. Okay, now what we're going to do is just take some of these Dollar Tree flowers and cut them off pretty short. Really, really short. Matter of fact, I'm going to take it all the way up because I want it relatively flush, and I'm just going to cut this off short too, so I can just stack it together and it'll be really flat. I think this is going to be adorable. Okay, then we're just going to put some glue right in here to hold the flower in it where we cut it off. And then I'm just going to put some glue on the back of this flower. And I'm just going to put it right here and hold it. This is going to be adorable. Okay, excuse me. Then I think that I'll take, I think I may want a little one down here at the bottom, maybe this one. Okay, same principle. Cut this off really, really short. And this really short as well. So it will be relatively flat. Put the glue down in the center. That's going to come off shorter. Stick that down in there. This is so cute and so easy. It's a really quick little DIY. And you can put it down here at the bottom, or you could put it up at the top. I think I'm going to put mine here at the corner. I think I like that better. And then there you have it. It is such a cute little DIY. You could put family on it. You could do whatever, or whatever stencil that you like, but it is really adorable. I don't know where I'm going to put it, so I'll just hang it somewhere in here for now. And I may even give this to my brother-in-law. I'm not sure. But I'll show it hanging on the wall to let you see what it looks like. But this is just a simple, cute little DIY that didn't cost much at all. But yet if you'd see it out, you'd pay a lot more than what I did for it. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I just decided to hang it right here on the entryway to my dining room, but it is so cute. It just looks so farmhouse. You could hang that on the outside of your door, or you could hang it anywhere, the entryway. You could put it anywhere. It just looks fresh and it looks very farmhouse to me. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.